Hey everybody, come with me today on a couple of home tours where I go over a few items and a few things to look out for, just things of consideration and things to keep in mind when going through and touring homes. Notice a little bit of damage there, no big deal, but should get taken care of with the paint, millwork. Little spacing there should honestly be filled in to prevent any water damage or water intrusion. Standard one car, it's got a nice little bump out at least. You get a little storage space there. So water heater's been replaced. Furnace is probably original. These units are all built 2003. So we probably have your original furnace, original air conditioner. They've replaced the flooring. These were probably originally carpet. Put down the luxury vinyl. A lot darker feel just from the paint and the floor. Looks like all the original fixtures. Kitchen appliances have been updated about 2022. Decent cabinets, need some handles, knobs. Deck is typically homeowner responsibility. Definitely needs to be restained. Again, these are all things we're kind of taking into account when determining value, all the fixtures, all the paint needed, some of the hardware. So the nice thing about these units are they're 2 full bath with the 2 bedroom. This one's priced at $260, by the way. Electric panel. Again, 2003 build. Washer and dryer on the first floor. More storage here, that's nice. Bedrooms are a little small. It is nice that they did the flooring throughout. Original bathroom, original vanity, floor, everything. And this is the primary, decent sized. Not a bad walk-in. Quick break in between here. This is one of the beautiful things about Michigan in the fall. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again today. So I'm going to take you through this other unit that I toured and just checking out the basement here. Pretty straightforward, looking at the electric panel and some of the other utilities down there. Next, we're looking at this wall. This is on the main entrance and taking that down through the back of the kitchen you see here. So maybe opening that up, if you just blow that whole wall out, could have a whole different dynamic, maybe even doing a little bar there. Taking it through, it's got nice high ceilings throughout as well. It's got the popcorn though, you're gonna have to scrape that down. You can see that up there. And then nice skylight, that's really nice, good light flow on it. So these clients were looking at this unit for a pretty good renovation, as you can see, and they can do some nice floor and paint work and turn it up quite a bit.